Hello developers, hope you are doing great. Today, at the time of creating one UI, I have a requirement. This submit button should be disabled when the name is not entered properly or the input text is empty, and it will automatically enable if the user enter the name and click outside. For this type of scenario, we can use Onblur event in JavaScript. So to write the code, let's go to VS Code and let's write the script. Here we are going to use Onblur event on the input text, and we are going to give this text an ID as username. So let's write a function button click. In this function, we are going to get the input element first, which is username. What we actually want. We actually want the username. This will give us the input field, not the value. So we need the value. Now, I need to modify the button. So we need the button. There is only one button in this entire DOM. So that's why we are going to use document dot query selector button. First I will check that the username is empty or not. If it's empty, then I will modify the button. So btn dot disabled will be true, but if it's not, then the btn dot disabled will be false, and we're going to call this button click here. Let's save it and let's go to the environment. So currently it's enabled, so by default our button will be disabled like this. So currently nothing is there, but if I write something like shown and click outside, it's going to enable. But again, if I delete everything and I click outside, it will be disabled. So that's how you can use Onblur event for this type of scenarios.